Hello, how are you all? I'm Lasantha. I think some of you already know because I have already done some IT training videos in my YouTube channel. So, actually, this video is not about any IT training or any academic uh, demonstration or any software demonstration, anything. But this is about introducing myself as a freelancer, as a freelance software engineer and software architect. So I thought of giving you some introduction about myself and my career life in previous career life and currently on freelancing. So I prepared a roadmap. First of all, I prepared some points as a roadmap to this video. So let's go through it and let's follow that roadmap, and I will introduce myself. This is basically for my freelancing clients and prospective clients that I am expecting to take over in future. So this video also will be in the same YouTube channel, Software Engine LK. So you can go to my YouTube channel and search all the other videos as well as this video. So let's start from the first point. Currently I'm a freelance software engineer, full-time freelance software engineer. Additionally, I do some roles like software architect and also as a certified Azure cloud architect. Basically, I do technology related things, and sometimes in future I will do design related Azure architect jobs as well. Okay, so currently I'm a freelancer for software engineering, software architecture, and Azure cloud architecture, and most of the Azure cloud resources. I take all jobs related to those areas. So let's start with the experience and qualifications, because before come to freelancing I did some career for about 14 years as full-time software engineer, then senior software engineer, then as associate tech lead, and meanwhile working on those positions I played some roles like software architect and Azure cloud architect as well. So about my academic and professional qualifications, I will quickly go to my website and yeah, you will see okay, there you can see my current academic and professional qualifications. Actually, I'm a BSc honors graduate in computer science and additionally chemistry as well, from University of Peradeniya, Sri Lanka. And in addition to that, I did the Australian Computer Society professional exams, and from Microsoft I did some micro certifications, especially in the stream of C#.NET, ASP.NET, then ASP.NET MVC, then Azure. So I got some titles like MCTAs, MCSC, and currently I'm an Azure architect for technology only. So in future I will definitely do SEO architect design module as well, and I have also a diploma in software engineering. And about experience, roughly I have more than 15 years of experience in software engineering in different roles like software engineer, senior software engineer, then associate architect, then played roles like software architect and Azure cloud architect, likewise. And in addition to the development, software development, I did some IT lectures as well. So here you can see in the fourth point, I did some information training, technology training, software engineering training, and web development training for some private IT training institutes and IT colleges. Okay, so that's about my academic and professional qualifications and previous working experience. And before going to the second stage, actually currently I have about 2 years of experience in freelancing. So in the last phases I will show you my already completed freelance projects. Okay, before that let's move to the second section. In the second section what you see is actually the areas of software development I mainly cater for. Basically I do these 10 or 12 categories. My main areas are web applications, then websites, web APIs. I do web APIs, development of web APIs, as well as web API integrations, because there are a lot of public APIs and third-party APIs, and lot of API vendors are there. They are exposing APIs for others to integrate with their systems. Okay, like social media, websites, APIs, YouTube APIs, and some other business domain related APIs as well. So I do web API integrations also. Then as the fifth point, I do a lot of Azure cloud solutions, then Windows desktop applications. Actually, as the beginner I was a Windows desktop application developer, so still I do Windows desktop applications as well. Then Windows services for background jobs, like that's also kind of integration, database backing up, database restore, or database migration kind of jobs with Windows services. Then web browser extensions. I mainly do browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. I have some experience doing web browser extensions as well. Then about Google Scripts and Google document add-ins. I do Google scripting. With Google scripting we can do a lot of that's also a kind of extension, but it's not browser extension, but for documents, Word documents, maybe for Google Word document or Google Excel sheet, for some documents like that we can do add-ins. We can create our own Google scripts, and we can apply that as a Google document add-in to Word or Excel document and some other documents as well. And recently I started chatbot development, so I am currently trying to develop my own chatbot as a freelancer, my own product. So I will expose that after some time, because it's still in the beginning of that first phases. And I have already completed a few MLAI solutions like natural language processing and some SEO solutions kind of thing using machine learning and artificial intelligence, then model training kind of things. And also recently I started cryptocurrency solutions like P2P solutions, then wallets, cryptocurrency wallets, those kind of solutions as well. I have already completed and one of the cryptocurrency project is still in the uh, middle of I have completed some milestones, but still there are some milestones to do. So I do cryptocurrency as well. Then in addition to the development software engineering, I do some consultancy as well. Basically that is quite closer to IT lecturing, but it's not really lecturing for students, IT students, but for the professionals or even for software engineers and some other IT positions. I'm ready to give my knowledge, share my knowledge. That will be great opportunity for them to improve their work or improve their positions with my consultancy. So I basically do how you have to do requirement analysis and software designing before stepping to the development phases of software. You have to do a lot of analysis and you have to do a better design. Otherwise, you have to come back to that phase, pause in the development. That will be a double work. Or you have first you have to do some analysis and design. Then software architecture. As an experienced architecture and as a cloud architect, I do some consultancy on software architecture as well. Then also software development best practices. There are a lot of software developers and even freshers, beginners, and intermediate people. They also do software, but always we have to follow the best practices. Otherwise, maintainability and flexibility. There are a lot of other concerns that we have to think of. So you will not reach those good points if you don't practice the best approaches. Then unit testing. I mainly do unit testing with .NET frameworks like NUnit, and I can consult you on how to do unit testing with .NET frameworks. Then deployment. There are a lot of deployment approaches like just deploying in shared hosting, deploying virtual private servers, or in cloud environment like Azure and GCP and AWS kind of environments as well. So I do consultancy on those areas as well. Then very important thing, technical documentation and strategies and tools. Technical documentation is very important because working as a team or even working as an individual freelance or developer, we have to document, we have to maintain better documentation for each and every changes or new controls or bug fixes we do in a software. And even in the first phase of requirement analysis and design, we have to come up with this better documentation. So I do consultancy on that. Then we have to prepare user manuals, help manuals, so that is also important. Then after all, we have to do better maintenance, otherwise your client will disappoint about your service just by developing and deploying is not enough because software is always changing, requirements are changing, so we have to maintain with latest technologies and latest requirement, and that is about maintenance and customer support. Then cost estimate and time estimation, that is very important for freelancers, even for software companies. We have to think all of these previous points when we do the estimation, so that is also important. Then after all, we have to think about adaptation for future trends in software industry, because we should not stay with legacy technologies, legacy systems. If we have already legacy technology or legacy systems, we have to upgrade them with latest technologies, and that is also a key point. Okay, that's about my consultancy, and there are some minor points as well. If you contact me and ask, I can confirm whether I can consult on those areas, or let's see. Okay, then section 4, I just put this section because I have some experience in lecturing for Sri Lankan private IT institutes. I conducted a lot of courses on web development, web application development, website development, and Windows Forms application development, and now I am doing some Azure Cloud Architecture related things as well. And these points are very important: double OP, object-oriented programming, object-oriented designing, and solid principles when we think about maintainability, flexibility, and extendability of software solutions, and relational database management systems. Basically, for web development, I do this. I lecture on these technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Node.js, Angular, React.js, and for web application, those technologies also are there, and additionally I do ASP.NET MVC, and currently .NET Core is very important. That is the latest framework, 5 and 6. So 6 also has been released, so you can use .NET 6. That is the latest framework, and with that you can do ASP.NET MVC web applications. Okay, so that's about my IT lecturing. In my website, there also you can see some areas like IT lecturing and IT consultancy. You can see here. Okay, you can see there are some points, and in future I will put some links in these areas for my YouTube channel, training demonstrations and training videos. Okay. Right, then the section 5, it's about the solutions I have already developed, because we should not do only the projects. We have to do the projects because there are bespoke clients. Always software engineering is most of the time requirements are changing, so we have to do bespoke development. That means new projects depend on the client's requirement, but we have to keep some already developed solutions, because there are some ready-made there are some requirements that we have to provide a ready-made solution at once, right? Like cost, sales and inventory, then human resource management, and there are a lot of other business domains. So currently I have these solutions already developed and ready to cater, ready to sell for clients. I have a POS system and I have a sales and inventory monitor. It's a Windows based application, and human resource manager, that is also a Windows based application. The version of these two solutions will be available in future. It's a little bit heavy process of development, so we have to take some time, and in future I will introduce those web-based application for these two. Currently we have a Windows-based solution, and this is a kind of framework that make your development process very easy. And I am going to add a new video, a demonstration video about this, and you will see that also in my YouTube channel. I will discuss in detail about the Windows application framework in that video. You can refer it. And this is also a web API. Basically, this web API is the backend of these solutions, and there are some other solutions as well. So using this web API, you can develop your own front end using any technology, because this is REST API. You can even use web application front end, or Windows application front end, or mobile application front end, or any other completely different technology like PHP or Java, JEE, Java Enterprise Edition. Or front end will be anything, because the backend and database technologies completely handled by this web API. So in the YouTube channel you will see some demonstration about this also. You can go and there click for those videos. And this is just a fun thing. We call it soft engine fan. It's just an entertainment solution, not a solution, just tool. Not a business domain related or very complex thing, just a entertaining tool. You can enjoy music, movies, or just melodies or anything with some what is called virtual effects. You can apply some virtual effects on existing melodies, songs, and movies, kind of thing, and you can enjoy it. Just entertainment. You can spend your leisure when you are tired doing hard work. Just use the soft engine fan and enjoy it. You will see demonstration videos on soft engine fan also in the same YouTube channel. Okay, then this is about the technologies. In technologies, these are not all the technologies, but some main things that I use for my freelancing. Basically, I do my solutions or projects using these four framework, 4.6 and 4.72 currently a little bit outdated, but still some clients need. So we use 4.6 and 4.72 as well. But I mainly use these two, .NET 5 and .NET 6. We call it .NET Core. And my main language is C#. Let's say C#.NET. Yes, C#.NEt. Then ASP.NET MVC, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, Node.js, Angular, React. I use these technologies basically for web application development. Additionally, these are some supported technologies like Kendo UI, kinetics gas, uh, kinetics gas, Google Charts for graphical representations of data, it's like reports. Then trade view charts and Azure, RabbitMQ, Tracer Web Engine. For database technologies, I mainly use MS SQL Server and MySQL. For machine learning and artificial intelligence, I use Azure services, Google services, and Stanford NLP for natural language processing related things. And there are a lot of already trained model in these Stanford NLP, Azure services and Google services. So you can do very important and useful AI solutions and machine learning solutions. Then SQLite DB for small things like cryptocurrency, distributed databases kind of thing. Then .NET in memory for performance improvement. Then XML, JSON, Ajax, Bootstrap. For web services, previously I just used WSDL web services as well. Still I do, but it's quite outdated now. So we mainly use web API, just like this, and additionally WCF also. And this is not the all, but there are a lot of more technologies. Time to time, depending on the solution and depending on the client, we use some other technologies as well. Then these are the main business domains I have catered for, and currently also I do. And in experience I got from my previous company, full-time jobs as well. So I do sales and inventory related solutions. These are the domains, business domains: human resource management, payroll, venues and event management related solutions, CRM, customer relationship management. Then there are social services related solutions and some of banking solutions as well. This is very complex domain, but I don't do much, but I can do simple banking solutions. So that's about mainly the roadmap of my demonstration, introduction. So I think you have got some idea about myself and my previous experience and what currently I am doing and what type of technologies I use and what are the main business domains I cater for and what are the ready-made products, solutions I currently have. And before I go to the last section of completed projects, I go back to this part and I will introduce you the software engine solutions that I have already completed. So all these demonstrations are there in my YouTube channel here in Software Engineer UK. You can go from here or the root section of the website. You will see that. So here you will see all the solution demonstrations you can see, and additionally currently I am uploading some training videos as well, like this. This is my session 1 of some web development for beginners. So in this page also, in the solutions page, you can see the same demonstrations. Okay, so this demonstration will be ready very soon. Within a couple of weeks I will embed that video also here, and you will see that in the channel as well. Okay, fine. Now let's go back to the roadmap. Okay, as the final thing, I'll just go through some projects I completed as a freelance software engineer within last 2 years or 1.5 year time. Okay, I did some Google Docs custom scripting solutions. And I did a simple demonstration project, kind of a proof of concept POC project for Stanford NLP, English language generation and tokenization, and it's kind of subject verb object triple identification and named entity identification, those kind of things. It's just a demonstration, POC, proof of concept, and it worked well. And then these are just bug fixing some other systems that the client wanted to hire me for their bug fixes. And this is again AI solution, a machine learning solution. I just developed a machine learning module training solution for Visual Parser using .NET Core and some module training technologies. This is just a Shopify integration with VB.NET application, and this again a small web application and some bug fixes. And this is a big solution. You can go to this website and reply it. It's a nice Twitter integrated web application that you can manage your Twitter contacts, you can do marketing, and you can build your social media community. You can market your solutions, products using this great application. That is very nice thing. I have completely developed it from the scratch. It was online now, and this is again some technical thing like URL rewriting with IIS server for Chinese character URLs. I think I have to explain it a little more, but in this video I don't want to explain much. Just think like normally in the URL, in URLs we have only English letters and numbers, but still we can do some advanced things like including Chinese characters and some other characters in URLs using URL rewrite modules in IIS. That is a kind of technical project. And this is again a SEO solution using machine learning and AI. We developed and trained a model that keep a lot of sentence factors, and using those sentence factors it generates nice sentences for SEO purposes, search engine optimization purposes, and it has scraping as well, web scraping feature as well. And this is about simple web app for shipping and courier services, and it has a lot of API integrations and payment gateway integrations as well. I forgot to tell you, in this also we have payment gateway integration. You can create your own subscription for 1 month, and there are levels of subscription. You can pay by your credit card and purchase the subscription. And this is also nice dashboard for a kind of electricity plant, as the client explained me. So there are some electricity plant. They have also a lot of machineries there, and those machineries generate data, and those data should present in a IoT dashboard in a web application. So I did that. Then it's just architectural documentation. I do those kind of things as well. I do documentation only without doing the development. I hand over the documentation, then third-party development team or those companies take over the development process. I responsible only for the architectural document. That's a different kind of thing. And this is very nice and advanced technology solution using .NET Core. So I did a blockchain server, wallet, and P2P solution as well. It's a kind of cryptocurrency console application. And this is some kind of automation to do some UI features without user clicking on the areas, or user without doing any mouse clicks or keyboard interaction with the web page. This browser extension automatically take over that flow. It's automatic flow on a web page. We call it Grease Monkey or Temper Monkey browser extensions. It's quite similar to normal Chrome and Firefox browser extension that we do with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, but this doesn't need any HTML or CSS. We can do just with JavaScript. So that is interesting thing. And this is also my own solution. I did for a freelance client. It's a file downloader. It has a special feature like pause and retry, also integrity check. When your network is low, when the network is dropping or disconnecting, this tool automatically pause the download process, and meanwhile if the network again come back normal, it will resume the downloading process, and finally when it is completed, it do a integrity check as well, because due to network dropping or network performance, sometimes downloaded file will have some corrupted sections. So without doing the integrity check, user can't use the file. So this tool do the integrity check after downloading. So that's about and meanwhile this day I am doing some freelancing project. You can see them after I completed them. Okay, so that's about the current status of my freelancing. I think this video will be very helpful for my existing clients and my future prospective clients. They can decide about me, how I do, and what are the things I do, and what kind of solutions and business domains and technologies I mainly focus on, and I hope uh, you got some idea about myself and my solutions and the work I do. So thank you very much, and I think you will contact me in your future software development requirements. And for now, I'll stop this video. Also, I hope you will watch my other videos about my solutions and my IT training courses, and you will get a lot of ideas from them as well. Okay, thank you very much.